It's so much fun to play Squid Game. I even have a memorable picture of me and my friends saved. My assignment was to cut out a triangle cookie, and I successfully did it.
You are so lucky. Congratulations.
And why not call that security guard and thank him? I still have his number on my card. Hey, buddy! Oh, hey! Thanks for saving me in the game. You're welcome to visit me. Wow, thanks. I'll be sure to come. Great! I'll see you then. What should I get him? I'll bake a cake. First, I'm gonna need a quail egg. I need to separate the yolk from the whites using a sieve. Then, I'm gonna pour it into a bowl. Sieving some flour. Great. I will pour in milk, some oil, and vanilla syrup. All that's left to do is stir, and the first part is ready. In the second bowl, you need to whisk the whites together with the lemon juice, salt, and some sugar. You will get a lush foam. Now it's time to combine the bowls and make a luxurious dough. I'll add some dye to get the color I want. Awesome! That's just the right thing! Time to pour the batter into the mold and put it into the oven for half an hour. Let's move on. While the dough is baking, I'll get to work on the mastic. It will decorate my gift. From the white mastic, you need to mold a thin strip and cut out the excess sides. And red one should be divided into 2 parts. We'll leave the first one and rolling out the second one. Our task is to cut out an even rectangle. Great! Now let's do the black color. We will mold more strips. And this red knife will make a beautiful pattern. Look at that! Yay! The dough is ready, which means that you can take it out of the oven and cut out 2 even layers. Before we make the cake, we need to grease the board with cream to fix it. It's much better this way. And going layer after layer. Now, we need to give our cake a round shape. To make it even and beautiful, you need to cover it with cream on all sides. That is exactly what I'm going to do now. Now the cake looks wonderful. And the mastic will be as we need it to. With the help of a knife, we will press its edges and remove the excess. Finally, it's time to decorate the cake using our pre-mates. It will become the head and the mastic will become the torso of the guard from the Squid Game. It remains to make him a hood, and we can serve the cake to my friend.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, he's here!
Come in.
Hi, come on in. This is a present for you. Help yourself.
Wow, it's so nice and delicious! Thank you so much!
Yummy. Thank you so much.
Give me a like if you like this video. Even more cool recipes can be found on my channel. I invite you to subscribe. And if you want to be the first to know about new videos, click the bell. Thank you all, and see you soon. Bye-bye!